Minister wa Murimi na Deithia Mithika Linturi na ende nethirite akiritira mukana MAMBROKA beria akibera atitikire Murimi anyamarikari wathanine ministry neu akereka itakala bakulaitha mathaga jara ya mung'ana yo milioni ya 50 jara yakwirikana yakumite Kampala Uganda na yetite kuntu kutikumenyeka Linturi wite makarika ya niyo atitikire thira ya itana mbere ndene ya mongo yo Kenya yetana mbere kunyamaria Murimi
akodhiria ndiongewe nariria ndikibande tokiri godon chekiare nala muligojo iriarera tunyithitwa janthe korona njere wizo minister bona Mithika Linturi nona ni tieno wagitumire kinene kirori bwede gutukudira bwide bubwaga janthe korone ikwethira kwena biashara bamikora bagakwethira beto ithieria arere tetukurukirite kilometera 3 thirikari morigo jojo jiraje na gore milioni kana 50 jishoka jo kerekana jo kirite thirikari asarene ne okoti
because these items have not been levied. I've provided a situation where the government is likely to lose 52 million shillings in terms of tax. So, hii musiko KRA ama serikali ya Kenya inapoteza milioni 50 kwa kondi ambayo sisi sote tunajaribu kuokota ili tuweze kujitegemea kama Wakenya, ili tuweze kupeana huduma kwa Wakenya.
Morigo jo iri ari naryo rera kunjikire matasi jande Brookside Kampala ijumurigo jere kutoje gotoka ruarua aremisa Mithika Linturi ugite kuno batu bonene thirikari shende kura toli kutura bakiaraniria na kono bomba kutura bengana ni ogoti nonto bainge bethugure merigo ezi bagita kwendia naria ogoti bwende goro.
The problem that we don't have to address is why is it that Kenya there is that probability of people getting milk from Uganda, from Tanzania. I think time must also come when we must, as a region, be able to look our tax regime within the region so that we do not provide or create an opportunity for these illegal products coming into the country, because probably the legal regime that is existing is not in favor of is in favor of these surplus traders.
Kenge ebona bwe bokwethira bwetho kulinto na bokuleta janthe gorone bitogorokira mathojara ja ikim thirikari Kenya erione boturete kanyi mwaka jojo.
Wale wakora wanafanya kazi na hawa wanaendelea kumaanisha ya kwamba those efforts that our livestock farmers have made are being defeated because of this kind of trade. So serikali iko na msimamo ya kwamba these criminals bwana DCI tafadhali deal with them mercilessly.
Nke report Antosharu TV kuma jake ngina ngine ne kineke mshusho Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.